Are you frustrated that your high-quality videos aren't generating the sales and revenue you expected? The digital landscape has been transformed by AI video technology. But if you're trying to elevate your content creation process, you face one critical challenge: harnessing AI's full potential to create professional quality videos at the speed your business demands. Studies show that brands that effectively integrate advanced AI video tools see 66% more qualified leads and 54% higher engagement rates. In today's competitive market, optimized AI equals unbeatable advantage. As you probably already know, features tell, but stories sell. Whether it's your product story or brand story, nothing sells better than compelling storytelling. But creating professional videos typically requires expensive and complicated software, an expensive physical set, and hiring designers. Well, not anymore. To help you transform AI-generated stock footage into spectacular professional videos, we have the software that you've always dreamed of. This is why I'm here to show you how to harness pro animation technology without going bankrupt. It's time for you to get this technology first in the world. Introducing the world's most advanced, innovative, and all-in-one video creation tool, Xinemax 3.0. A massive collection of stunning animated videos and 3D virtual studios that you can use for any trailer, motion text, cinematic project, hand-drawn animation, or VSL. The possibilities are endless. With a high-end professional look that makes your videos feel like they were shot in a real cutting-edge studio. Now you no longer have to spend a fortune on expensive video sets. Your dream studio is just a few clicks away. In just a few simple steps, you can apply a pro animation studio that perfectly fits your video needs to create personal and professional touch videos. These videos are not only highly interactive and engaging, but also elevate your brand recognition and credibility to the next level. Let's check out our trailers. What's even more incredible about this Xinemax 3.0 is that you don't need to hire an expert video editor to edit your videos. All you need to do is select the Xinemax 3.0, edit the text, or replace the AI stock video. See how the Xinemax 3.0 makes your video more interactive, sophisticated, and profitable. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, right? Even a newbie can use it to create sophisticated, high-quality professional videos. Now become a professional video creator and produce unlimited high-quality commercial videos for any business with Xinemax 3.0. Create stunning videos that look professionally made without the need for an actual studio. These videos are highly valuable and can easily sell for hundreds of dollars. It means that by selling one video, you'll not only be able to cover the entire cost of the Xinemax 3.0, but also make a good profit. Whether you're making personal videos, ads, brand identity videos, or even testimonial videos, everything can be made easily using Xinemax 3.0. Simply put, it's an all-in-one pack of future pro animation video builder for every kind of video. No fusses, no high prices, no headaches. Furthermore, no limits. You can use these videos for your or your client's online or offline promotional ads. So, what are you waiting for? Buy now and get our special early bird price. You only need to click the button below this video and download Xinemax 3.0 today.